Many people today use the terms LLM, AI workflow, and AI agent interchangeably. But these three concepts are very different. Understanding this difference is critical if you're designing modern AI system. In this video, we will break down the architecture behind each approach and explain when you should use them. Let's start with the simplest form of AI application, the LLM. In this architecture, the user sends a prompt to a language model. The model processes the prompt and generates a response. This interaction is typically a single step. The model does not call external tools, execute workflows, or perform multiple reasoning cycles. Large language models are excellent for tasks such as answering questions, summarizing documents, generating content, but they are limited when a problem requires multiple steps or external actions. The next level of complexity is an AI workflow. Instead of relying on a single prompt, the system executes a predefined sequence of steps. For example, first extract information from documents, then clean the extracted data, then generate a summary. Each step may involve a language model, but the workflow itself is fixed. This means the system cannot dynamically decide what to do next. It simply follows a predefined pipeline. AI workflows are commonly used in document processing and automation systems. Now let's look at AI agents. AI agents introduce a new capability, decision making. Instead of following a fixed workflow, the system analyzes the task and determines what action should happen next. This architecture typically includes several components. The first component is the LLM, which performs reasoning. The second component is a tool layer. Tools allow the agent to interact with external systems such as API, databases, or document processors. The third component is memory. Memory stores intermediate results and allows the system to track progress. Finally, the system includes a decision loop. After each action, the model evaluates the result and decides the next step. This loop continues until the task is completed. Let's compare these three architectures. Large language models generate responses. Workflows execute predefined pipelines. Agents dynamically decide what actions should happen next. Each approach has its own advantages depending on the problem being solved. Consider a real enterprise use case analyzing large volumes of documents. A simple LLM could summarize a single document. A workflow could process multiple documents using a fixed pipeline, but an AI agent could dynamically decide how to process each document, extract relevant data, store the results, and notify stakeholders when the task is complete. This is why many modern AI systems are shifting toward agent-based architectures. In the next video, we will explore how these architectures can be implemented using Azure AI services, including Azure OpenAI, Azure Functions, and document processing tools. If you're interested in real-world AI system design, consider subscribing.